If you're a parent, then your concern should be how to raise your kids and to guide them into their profession they want to pursue. But do you know exactly which profession they will be shining if they pursue that? Sometimes we force our child or children into a profession which we like, not what they like. Don't you think it would be injustice to not to let them pursue their own dream, provided they have that potential, they have that capacity of that particular profession, of that particular line of profession? In this video today, I'm going to decode the numbers which support them into their profession they want to pursue. Welcome to my channel Sankhya Tattva, where I decode numbers with your daily life, with your habits, with your profession, with your education, everything, so that you can know in advance which are the numbers which supports your dream, which are the numbers which doesn't support your dream. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe so that you can be notified on my upcoming videos and can share this content with your friends, families, so that they can also be updated about this content. So let's decode that if your child is wanting to pursue doctor, engineer, some administrative job or anything, if the numbers present in their birth chart will be supportable or will be guiding them to pursue that particular dream or not. By now you must be knowing that how to make your own birth chart. Now this time you make your child's birth chart with the date of birth. If you don't know yet, please go and watch my previous videos where I have guided them how to make your own birth chart. So let's open the birth chart, and I'm going to talk about the profession which is most pursued by most of the children, most of the child nowadays, most of the kids nowadays, which is engineering. So if your child has 492, if you see in the Losho grid, the first horizontal line in the Losho grid, if your child has that 492, then it's very good. Then your child can become a very good engineer. Sometimes it happens that your child pursue engineering, but ultimately they have to pursue something else to earn the money, as in the final their line of job. So it is often seen that this 492 is not present in their birth chart. So even if they pursue engineering forcefully, they won't be able to survive in that particular field. So check if 492 is present in the birth chart or not. Additionally, to support, check if 3 and 7 is also there or not. Any one of them will do. Well, otherwise 492 is enough to pursue engineering, but additional support if you need, then you have to check whether 3 and 7 is also there or not. 3 is the number middle in the first vertical line, and 7 the number in the middle, which is the last vertical line of the Losho grid. If all these numbers are present, then it's very good. Your child or kid can make it to a very good engineering profession. But in case, let's say, only 4 is there, then also it's good. Suppose 9 and 2 is not there, then also will be good. You can still pursue your kid to engineering profession. Let's say if 4 and 9 is there, 2 is not there, then also will be good. So in this way, you can evaluate whether your child or your kid can pursue engineering or not. Next profession is coming to doctor, which most of the parents dream of making their kid to. Check if 3 and 7 is present or not, because 3 and 7 is the most desirable number in the Losho grid. I have already mentioned 3 is the number in the middle of the Losho grid of the first vertical line, and 7 is the number which is present in the in the last vertical line. If these two numbers are present, then it is very good. Especially if these numbers are coming from driver number or conductor number, any one of these numbers. Most desirable number is 3, but even if 3 is not there, even if 7 is there, only 7 is there, then also it's very good. Then also your child or your kid can pursue doctor and medicine as a profession. Small things I talk about in my video. If you like it, please comment. If you don't like it, then also comment. And if you want to know in detail, I'm coming up with a workshop, basic numerology workshop on 19th of April. Details are in the description box, how to register. And if you want to know more in detail around this, you can call and WhatsApp in the particular number given in the description box. So There is no upselling or cross-selling of courses, so don't worry. You can join freely. You can ask. It will be a interactive session. You can join that and can clear your doubts if you have any. Next profession is coming to chartered accountant. A lot of people already have their law firms or chartered accountancy firm and want their child or children to become chartered accountant like him or her. So the most desirable number for chartered accountancy is 5 and 8. 5 is the number which is the balancing number in the Loshu grid, which is sitting in the middle of the Loshu grid. If you can see, it's a middle. And the 8 is a number of Saturn, Shani Maharaj ka number. If these two numbers are present in your child's birth chart, then it's very desirable that you can ask him or her to pursue chartered accountancy if he or she is liking it to be. Again, it's most desirable, this 8 and 5, if it's coming from driver or conductor number. See, in a birth chart, numbers can come from date, can come from month, come from year of birth also. Let's say somebody is born on 8th, 16th or 17th or 26th of the month, 8 will be coming from the driver number. But if the sum total of date, month and year, if it's coming to 5 or 8, then it's coming, your 8 and 5 is coming from the conductor number. But suppose if you're born on, let's say, 1st of May, then 5 is coming in your birth chart, but from the month number. Even if it's coming from the month number, then also it's very good. But if it's coming from the 8 and 5 I'm talking about, if it's coming from driver or conductor number, it's most desirable to become a CA. Sir, just remember that, calculate your driver and conductor number, your child's driver number and conductor number, and guide them. Last but not the least, the most desirable profession is law. If you're already a lawyer, if you have a law firm, then definitely if you want your child to become a lawyer also. The most desirable number to become a lawyer is 4 and 8. Again, if you see, 4 is the first number in the Loshu grid from the left hand side from the vertical line, and 8 is on the same vertical line. 8 is found in the last. So if 4 and 8 is present in your child's date of birth, then it's very good. He or she can become a very good lawyer. 4 is a number of Rahu and 8 is a number of Saturn. Combination of these two makes you a very good lawyer. Remember this and calculate and see whether these numbers are present in your child's birth chart or not. Another profession I want to talk about, because that is also the most desirable profession. A lot of people aim to become an administrative officer, like an IAS officer, IPS officer, IRS officer. So I'm going to touch upon that also. Let's say in your child's date of birth 3 and 7 is present, then it is very good. It's a most desirable number to become an IAS or an administrative officer. Additionally, to make to support the birth chart, if 4 and 9 is also present, then it's very good. So basically the most supporting numbers will be 3 and 7, and additional support might be required from 4 and 9. 4 is a number of Rahu, 9 is a number of Mars. That makes a very strong combination in your birth charts. And 3 and 7, 3 is a number of Jupiter. That is anyways the guru of all education. That's the planet of all, guru is all of all the planets, which is Jupiter. And 7 is the planet represented by Ketu. So if these two numbers are present, then also your child can become an administrative officer without 4 and 9. But if 4 and 9 is also there, then it's a very good combination. It's a very supportive combination. So please go and make your child's birth chart and just check in which profession he or she can shine in coming future. In my opinion, you should not force your child to become what you have dreamt to become. Support them and guide them what is the supporting numbers present in his or her birth chart, and that way they can shine more. If he or she cannot become a doctor, engineer, lawyer, of any of this profession I've talked about, there are other professions also. If you want to know more in detail, then you can DM me. I can guide you through, and can comment also if you want to make any such video in coming weeks or coming months. I'll definitely address those. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.